It's my boat and I cry if I want to.
It is time to go. We are leaving White Cay. It's been a great stay here, but we've got to move on. It is coming up to low tide though, and you can see the water is just rushing out. So we're gonna have to really pay attention to depth. We are headed to Fowl Cay this afternoon, which is only about a 45-minute trip, so it's a quick one for us. It's not like the Exumas in that it has a lot of white sand and beautiful blues, but it really does offer great animal life and just some pretty remote and rugged islands. So we highly recommend going to the Berries. We're gonna get to see our friends Dorothy and Stefan, who are in that beautiful catamaran right there. Excited to see them again. Whoa, that's looking pretty dark over there, and it's headed our way. Off we go.
Time for a sundowner over at our friends Outramel.
The sailing community is amazing. We met Stefan and Dorothy in Little Pipe Cay 2 weeks earlier, and getting to see them all along the way heading north is a bonus. This was our first visit to Invia, and she is a beautiful yacht.
All right, what a joy. We had a big rain last night. Probably only lasted for, I don't know, 20 minutes, but it was ferocious.
Brown's got the engines going, so that just in case we start dragging, it'll be okay.
Check out the radar.
Wow. That's a big storm.
What we have in here is leaking. We probably pulled out 2 full containers from the wet vac down in there, which is a significant amount of water. This is something that we definitely need to get fixed. Anyway, we're figuring this out, so we're gonna, now, one of my favorites after the 8.7 industrial cleaner is this Corrosion X HD, and this is US Navy approved. It's an extra thick version, sticky, of the regular Corrosion X. I'm going to take this and rub it on my hands, and it's going to get all over me. I'm going to take it and massage the underneath of the engine where the oil pan is, because this is an area where corrosion comes, and if you have to change the oil pan, it's a big deal. You got to pull the engine. It's not a cheap job, so we want to prevent that from happening with this stuff. Yes.
We've got a bunch of salt water under our bed.
Okay, well, the problem's mount. What type of delights are we finding now, sweetie?
If you don't look under things, you never find the problems. So I'm gonna stop looking under things from now on. Tons of salt crystals.
That means that the water has been in there and dried. And,
yeah.
You know, it's been in there a long time, and it's probably a very insignificant amount overall if you aren't feeling it slosh around or...
What's in the dry vac was down there.
How much water? Well, that's significant.
That's significant for salt water, A. B, I don't know when it went down there, so that could be 3 days drying, a week drying.
Brown, it's time for another diaper.
Oh, for the water and oil that's in our engine?
Yeah.
Do you know why I really need a diaper?
No, it's a diaper change for the big baby because he cries all the time when he's inside the engine.
Yes, you're right. I need a diaper because I'm a big baby with a lot of boat problems right now. Hold on, do you want to meet my baby? Hold on, wait a second. Oh, and the big baby is me. Oh. This boat is making me crazy. It's my boat and I cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. My engine is wet and it could happen to you.
Oh gosh, stop filming. Goodbye home. Going adventuring. We are off to the Blue Hole on Hoffman Cay, famous Blue Hole. And first we need to secure the dinghy. Wow.
Welcome to the Blue Hole. Who's gonna be the first one in? He's in! Oh, nice splash. Next in is the kit. Go. Whoa, there it goes. Definitely want to get it in before it goes into preservation mode. Here it comes. Eileen's underneath the canopy. This is going to be a little risky. There she is.
Oh my God.
Way to go, jet pilot, drone pilot, way to go.
It didn't like
Retriever.
No, of course
I know, of course it didn't. Okay, so right now we're going to do something really exciting and we're going to show you how to fly the Mavic Air II drone.
I'll launch it first and then I'll teach you guys to fly forward, backward.
Cool.
Basically all it is up, down, forward, backward, right, left, spin right, spin left on itself.
Cool.
Toggle camera to see down. And this is trigger for the camera or the video.
Okay.
And then this is switches between camera and video. And this is return to home.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can cancel that usually.
Ready?
I'll go up about 50 feet, I'd say. To practice, well, right now you're looking straight ahead. Toggle the camera down. Yes. So I would say go forward and play around with the joysticks.
Eileen's done a great job. Her first time flying the drone. Way to go, babe.
Sensors in the front and sensors on the bottom. But there are no sensors on the side. So to make your approach to grab the sucker from the side is your best possibility.
That makes sense.
Drone's first launch. Mush. Mush.
Mush. I got it.
We're adventuring a little bit. That was a pretty pass that we just came through. A lot of great live coral. And now we're looking for another spot. And the boys are taking us there with the oars. It's gonna be a while.
Here we are planning our re-entry into the U.S. From Grand Bahama, the West End. We are going to go from
West End
all the way to where? Where are we heading in North Carolina?
Okarachi.
Okarachi! What are you talking about?
That's the New York version.
Did you mean okra Coke? Pretty funny over here.
Yesterday we didn't adventure, so today we're gonna make up for it. Adventure Sensei has a plan, and the plan is to beach the dinghy on White Cay, explore the island, and fly the drone. Then we are going to get in our dinghy, and Jeff is going to try, for the first time, to have the drone follow our dinghy to a beach at a different location. Let's see how this all works out.
I love the berries, and in particular we're at White Cay, which is what we're on right now. We're going to do some exploring. This is the main island that protects us from the open ocean.
One of the best things about sailing is getting to explore these uninhabited, tiny, rugged islands and getting to see the views from them, which are absolutely stunning. And we are doing that today. We're going to check out a number of islands and try out some new drone techniques. So we're looking forward to that.